up and get right with it. Shawty gon' get with it, ain't no question. She wanna pull up and get right with it. Sauced up and she nice with it. She hella choosy on my license. Now she won't be with me on private.
Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a ponytail with a braid. The first step is to basically press or flat iron their hair. This time around I use a pressing comb. So a tip I'll give you guys for when you're pressing, is very good to use thin, small sections to get all the hair as flat as possible. So my client is my mom. Hey mom. She basically needs a trim, so I went ahead and did a trim this time around for her ponytail. And this is what I'm doing here. Here I'm using the She's Bomb wax stick to basically lay down like all of those flyaways because her hair is so short. Also, you want to brush or comb out any baby hairs that you'll be doing. That's what I'm doing here, and then I'm molding the rest of the hair back. Another tip is to use your hand as a molding tool. Basically, after you comb and brush the hair and spray the spritz on there, use your hand as you're molding it with the blow dryer. So here I'm just going back in and spraying a little bit more spritz, combing to add those final touches to make sure the ponytail is molded and looks right. So here I'm using only 1 pack of braiding hair. Off camera, I went ahead and took it out of the pack, removed the rubber band, and stretched the hair out. And then I reapplied a rubber band and I put it on the hair. So I'm going to divide the hair into 3 pieces to make basically a simple braid. The gel is on my hand is basically edge control, and you can apply that to your client's natural hair. Small piece of that way it blends in. To cover, it blends in with the braiding hair. Rubber band at the end. So the video of me basically braiding the hair all the way down got deleted. Don't know how, and that pissed me off. Anyway, so I basically did a simple braid. I would suggest you guys braid the hair semi-loose because you basically need to feather the hair out at the end, and you can't feather it out when the braid is too tight. So that's what I did here, and I started from the bottom and I feathered it out to the top. Now I'm going to go in and do her baby hairs. I use Got To Be gel. So the last step is to apply some shine spray. This is from the Pink Company. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.